Dear students, in today's lecture, we will study about uh, gravity settler. This gravity settler, it is another air pollution control device, APCD. So these gravity settlers, they are generally used to remove large abrasive particles, usually less than 50 micrometer from gas streams. The gas streams that we have in that are emitted in industries, factories, etc. And these the particles that are present in these gas streams having particle size usually less than 50 micrometer, they are removed generally by these gravity settlers. Since most of the troublesome particles have much smaller size than 50 micrometer, these devices are usually used as per cleaners prior to passing the gas stream through high efficiency collection device. And these settling chambers, which rely on gravitational settling as a collection mechanism, are the simplest and oldest mechanical collectors. Settling chambers, these are generally built in the form of long horizontal rectangular chambers with an inlet at one end and an exit at the other side or the top of the opposite end. So far as the design of these settlers are concerned, there are two primary types of settling chambers: the expansion chamber and the multiple tray chamber. In expansion chamber, the velocity of the gas stream is significantly reduced as the gas expands in a large chamber. The reduction in velocity allows larger particles to settle out of the gas stream. And in a multiple tray settler chamber is an expansion chamber with a number of thin trays closely spaced within the chamber, which causes the gas to flow horizontally below them. While the gas velocity is increased slightly in a multiple tray chamber when compared to a simple expansion chamber, the collection efficiency generally improves because the particles have a much shorter distance to fall before they are collected. Multiple tray chamber settling chambers have large lower volume requirements than expansion type settling chambers for the collection of small particles. So what essential here is that retention time is the most important factor that helps in the settling of these dust particles or whatever emissions we have. More is the retention time, more efficient is the settling chamber. So the efficiency of these settling chambers, it increases with the residence time of the waste gas in the chamber. So this was about this gravity settling chamber. It simply it utilizes the gravitational effect to settle down these particulates in the air stream or gas stream that is emitted by the industries or factories.